won't overcome. Feel like I can run.
Today we are going to the Safari World and we just got our map. We are on a tour bus, like a shuttle bus that takes us there. And we decided to go with Klook. We are at the Safari World and we have a tour guide and yeah, we're gonna see some shows.
Waiting for ticket.
Yeah, we're waiting for a ticket. And we're super tired. We slept for like 4 hours or 3 hours or something. But after this, we are gonna get a massage. So, okay.
There's one little water.
ตั้งแถวคณะทัวร์ของท่านก่อนนะคะ
Yeah. It's 0.5. It's no good. โอเคขอบคุณครับ Happy New Year.
It's on.
Go closer. Go closer.
นะคะชื่นชอบช้างตัวไหนชี้เลยชอบซุ้มเต้นอัพเตะบอลอะไรนี่เนื้อทองหรือเปล่าเนื้อทองทางด้านนี้ค่ะลูกเตะฟรีคิกน้องเนื้อทองกันเนื้อทองทางด้านนี้พี่บานเย็นกำลังให้บริการน้ำชาสำหรับวันนี้นะคะท่านใดที่ยังไม่ได้เข้าชมในส่วนของสวนสัตว์เปิดซาฟารีพาร์คหรือว่าขับรถชมสัตว์สามารถเข้าชมได้ตั้งแต่เวลานี้บ้างแล้วก็บาลานซ์เวลาที่จะไปขับรถชมสัตว์ได้
Yeah, it's streaming. Go closer.
He's tall.
No, no good, no good. Hello. Go closer.
Do you want more?
Hakim. Alright, it's good, it's good.
Oh, so nice.
What soup is this? Beef? Look nice.
We are at our massage place. Apparently this is like one of the best massage places in Bangkok. So this is gonna be the highlight of Kurt's trip. We've been walking around so much and we've been so tired, like today, especially walking around the safari. It was very tiring and my leg hurts and my feet hurts and like his whole body hurts. So I think this massage is gonna save us. Is this massage gonna save you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just finished our 90-minute aroma massage. And I feel so good. It was so relaxing and I fell asleep for like, I don't even remember, like 20 minutes maybe. Good morning everyone. So we have just checked out of our hotel. We need to go on the BTS, the train, and then we need to change some more money. And then we're gonna eat.
And then let's see what to do after.
Yeah.
And then we have a massage.
Yeah, today's a really chill day. We were planning to go Grand Palace, but we decided to cancel that and just keep it really simple because it's been too rushed and we want to just relax today.
Yeah.
Thai massage. Yeah, that was like a hot compressing oil that they used. I was in so much pain.
Same as me.
Yeah, but you liked it.
Yeah, it's quite relaxed.
Yeah, for me, I think I prefer the other one, yesterday's. Today's one is like to fix pain in your body, like muscle pain. But I think this place is really good. And this place has been recommended by like so many people. So if you're visiting Bangkok, then you should definitely come here. Okay, now we need to get to the airport. So
We need to go back to hotel to get our suitcase and then we go airport.
yeah. control, customs, yeah, passport control, and we're gonna try and look for some gifts or something before we get on our plane. We're really tired. It's 12:30, so it's like basically 1:30 in Hong Kong in the morning, and I can't wait to sleep.
I can't wait to sleep, but I need to work
You're like dying.
tomorrow today.
Yeah, he's going to work like straight after our flight. We are on